Welcome back, pumpkin people. This week's update, we're gonna check out the flower box. We're gonna check out our giant pumpkin, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like outside the hoop house. It's been outside the hoop house for about 4 or 5 days now. It's looking pretty good, but we can start right up here by the shed. Like and subscribe to that page. Like, comment, subscribe, leave me some feedback. Let me know what you guys would like to see the next future episodes. But starting up here, we have our flower boxes looking really good. You should check out that the video, how I planted these and what I use and what I do, but looking really good. Not too bad. All right, let's go take a quick walk down to the patch, and I'll see you guys down. Okay, we're down at the pumpkin plant. As you can tell here, the hoop house is finally off the plant. Looking really good. We're stretched about 4 feet or so. Notice, don't walk on your soil. Always stay on the boards, because anything basically from the tip of your main vine and a radius circumference out, that's your root zone, and those are where your roots are. So let's take a walk over here. Got some good secondary development happening finally. Yeah, see them just starting, looking real good. Notice I'm covering my main vine, so you can see right there at every leaf junction there's like a little white dot right there. If you cover up those spots, you're gonna grow more. A root will shoot out from the top and go down into the soil, and at the bottom of your vine another root will come out just to make your root zone a lot bigger. So bury your vines, and it's gonna be the same thing for these secondary vines. Once they get going, it's the same thing. When they start stretching out, we'll bury those too. Well, I'm pretty happy with the color of the plant. Just maybe a touch of leaf burn there, just a little bit, maybe a little bit of nitrogen bloat, but looking good. Looking good. It's been a little warm past couple days, so just needs a little bit of water here. Looking real good. But thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys next week here on the pumpkin patch. Until then, growing big.